Hello everyone. How are you all doing? My name is Edward, and I'm here today to share some exciting information about the amazing product called Folifort. Before you rush to purchase this incredible product, I want to make sure you have all the essential details. So, stick around and watch this video until the end because I have some important things to share about Folifort. First things first, let me tell you where you can get Folifort. It has its official website, which I've discovered for you, so you don't have to search the internet and risk ending up on the wrong page. I've provided a link to their official website in the description box below. Once you've finished watching this video, make sure you visit the website to learn more about Folifort. Remember, it's the only place where you can purchase the original product. Now, let's talk about what causes hair loss. Scientists have identified a steroid called DHT as the root cause of hair loss. As you age, this compound, derived from testosterone, builds up in your body. Increased DHT levels clog your hair follicles and prevent hair growth. Fortunately, there's a solution. Folifort is a natural supplement that contains specific plants, vitamins, and minerals necessary to suppress the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, 5-AR, which helps inhibit DHT production. By addressing the underlying cause of hair loss, Folifort helps you regain your hair and improves your overall health. With Folifort, hair loss is no longer a big concern. What's more, Folifort offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If, within 60 days of taking the supplement, you decide it's not for you, you can request a refund, and their support team will assist you in getting all your money back. However, keep in mind that this treatment requires consistent use. For optimal results, it's recommended to take Folifort for a minimum of 90 days. But if you want to experience the full benefits and truly combat hair loss while promoting strong and healthy hair, it's best to take Folifort for up to 6 months consistently. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water while using Folifort. This helps the supplement work even more effectively throughout your body. Hydration is key to achieving the best results. If you're eager to learn more about Folifort, including its ingredients and other important details, I encourage you to visit the official website mentioned earlier. There, you'll find comprehensive information to help you make an informed decision. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.